Okay, here's a quick recap on how to graph inequalities, linear inequalities. So you start with your equation. You want to solve for y. Y in this case is already solved for. The number in front of x, that's your slope, so that's going to be 2 over 1. And the number that's left over, that's your y-intercept, so that's a negative 1. So to graph this, we're going to graph it normally, even though it's an inequality. We come down, and we go on the y-axis to a negative 1, we put a point. And then from that point, I'm going to use my slope. The x is 1 and the y is 2, so I'm going to move over 1 and I'm going to go up 2. Put another point. Move over 1 and go up 2. Put another point. All right? Where things change with inequalities is we're going to draw a line. The type of line we draw, just to remind ourselves, the type of line we draw, if we're looking for a greater than or less than, we're going to draw a dashed line. That means the line's going to look something like that. When we're dealing with a greater than or equal to or a less than or equal to, we're going to draw a solid line. So this determines what our line is going to look like. In this case, it's greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to, we're going to draw a solid line. The last part to an inequality is to shade. And what we could do is we pick a point that's definitely on one side of the line. You can pick any point. I'm going to go and pick this point over here, just because I know it's definitely on this side of the line. I count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Just the point 5, comma 2. So what I'm going to do is take my equation, y, or my inequality, y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 1, and I'm going to plug that point in. Is 2 greater than or equal to 2 times 5 minus 1? Is 2 greater than or equal to 10? That's 2 times 5 minus 1. Is 2 greater than or equal to 9? And the answer is no or false. What this tells you is that that point is not part of the solution set. It also tells you that all of the points on that side of the line that point came from is not part of the solution set. It tells you that all the points above the line are in the solution set to the inequality. So we shade, just like that. We don't have to color it in, and then we label the area we shade. In the shaded area, the inequality, y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 1.